for you, I shall dig them up in your frock like you're none, but this can't work, this can't work. You know, say me a regular, me wear them a clothes a cookie.
Oh my, very disrespectful girl.
John, what is this?
Babe, what is the problem now?
My father, he might go tell me say him nah go send the money. He want come now to Jamaica.
What?
He said that he might tell me say he want come to Jamaica.
Your father have problem?
I know, but... Oh, sorry, morning. One favor may I ask you for, eh? One favor. He no want to send the money. He want to come to Jamaica. And I don't understand why he just can't send the money.
You need to try and call him back. Call him back now.
Me can't bother with the stress with him. Me no want to call him back.
Babe, you need to do this for me. Remember, we need the money. All my nails need to get redone.
Me I deal with this now. Alright, babe, just listen. Let him do anything. Let him just come and we get the money.
Come where? It better not be in this house. Because I do not want him here skinny.
Me tell him something, I know.
I can't manage him.
What?
Well, I know, but she remember she don't really have no little clothes, babe.
She can't just say this.
I already warned her about it, and I'm definitely sure she's not gonna be doing it again.
What? This very distracting behavior.
And very inappropriate. I know.
What if we have visitor now and then
Babe.
you just walk in?
Alright, so I'll talk to her again. I'm sure she won't do it again. Let's just get down to the money for now. Let's focus on your father sending the money for now, alright? Yeah, let's do that for now. Come, babe. Just try and figure it out.
Better get used to this car, babe. Let me wear it. Yo, wait till I wear one where cock up so and done fine here. But I don't hear them as saying borrow clothes. So I do that the old man clothes. I'm shaky so, I'm twerky so. Lord God. Life could have so nice for $15,000. Wait, when I ask for you, yes. Too much of them and say, and them work, they must spoil. No one will take you with one. 2 garbage bags. Them wanna do 2 garbage bags and them a garbage already. No one some rice to me and take one and left one for them. Then if I start with shopping. I wonder why my man don't want to lift up here. Up here nice, God. And can feel the walk. I love the walk. Yo, Mr. Wait, when I wear the next one, I start shake it. So I shake it up. Okay. Here problem me I go give you. Later when I wear a skirt, I'm turning it up. Father.
Oh God, me need to call Taj.
Box off.
Pick up. You mean, Taj, pick up. Why not pick up? What is? What cause this now? What's this?
You have reached the voicemail box of.
It even make no sense. No sense. Lexi. Hello.
What did you just call me?
It doesn't even matter what I called you. Tracy, Lexi, Chelsea, whatever it is. Why are you around my family table again?
Materia, I'm taking a break.
Listen. Not because
I'm gonna sit right here, so.
I'm talking to you. Look at me while I'm talking to you. And don't offer me a seat in my house. Okay? I gave you a pass this morning. But you need to remember that my man is here. You can't dress like that. You can't be coming to work dressing like that. Yes, you're looking like, yes, you can't be coming to work dressing like that. Jeremy. Girl, you don't want to mess with me, you know. And I'm not going to tell you again to do not sit at my family table. I'm warning you.
You don't want to mess with me. You don't want to mess with me. Remember, you know, remember I still have those bag of bones.
Bag of bones? Huh?
You must remember who. Love take them.
Get up from around my family table.
Know how you're talking to me, you know, miss. It's Cookie, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Me seem fear and realize something with you, you know. You seem like you know remember. You remember Kim?
Kim? And who might Kim be?
How much husband we know you have again?
Little girl, be careful of what you're saying in this house. Are you crazy?
We soon find out.
I said to get up from my family's table.
Miss Cookie, go on in there with your next husband and just leave me be and stop cause problem. You don't even want to see them push back here. Very soon, now we can turn up in the sun and take bun long.